Hi, welcome to A1 Auto. This is 2007 Toyota Camry. The car has a lot of noise. After losing a 2 bolt, this one and that one, those are 10mm bolts. Take the cover off. Then we need to open this. The hose clamp, then take it off the hose, and this is the one more hose, PVC hose. Take the hose clamp and open this all this ignition coil, 4 of them. Take the connection off. Then there's a bolt, 4 bolt. You need to take this off. There's a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. There's a 1 bolt, 5 and right here. It's right here, 6 and 7. One right here. Little bolt for the harness. Need to take it off, these two, and as well this one. After that, we take it off the bulb cover. Then I'll show you how to replace the exhaust. This is the exhaust lifter noise. So I'll show you how to check and how to replace. To check the left lifter clearance, you need to buy the tool. Like you need the tool. This is like a filler gauge tools, very cheap. You can get it Home Depot, anywhere. To check the bulb clearance, you see the. I already checked like cylinder. Like this is the exhaust side. The cylinder 3 is out of expect the clearance. Let me show you how you check it. Like see, this is full. This is first of all, this is 16 mm. That means 0.016. Let me show you how they work. 0.016, you put in here. When you check is the bulb has to be close. You see the little narrow thing is up. This is up. See, like this. This is up or on the side. But if it is down, like this thing is down, like this one, this means bulb is open. You cannot check that. Then you have to rotate the engine like one more revolution. Then when the things go up, check the with the filler gauge. Let me show you now how to check this. See, this is 16. 0.016 is easily going in here. See, you can see from this side to other side. This one too. See, it's going easily. See, but when you put in this one is thing is all the way up. This is cylinder number 1. This one is, you cannot put it in. See, there's no way you can put it in. Open the lifter. You have to put the cylinder top the center. You can do 2 way. You can go to the crank pulley and turn in this way, counterclockwise. 2 revolution, then you will see the mark You see this the timing mark is right here. You see the mark, the arrow. Then there should be another mark in the sparkle, camera sparkle right here. Should be, you see the dot right here. When it's two of them matching on the both side, there's a little line right here. See this line? This is not the line. There's another line like this. There's another line. Should be matching with this dot right there. Right there's a dot. It should be one more line right here and straight it up. I show when I do the top, the center. After that, you need to open the ball, this ball right there. There's a cam cap ball or cam bearing ball, whatever it is. And just open this. It is keep by order. You take it off, like put by order, like this way. Put right here. This one's got here. Here. Take a couple zip tie and put in this hole, tie it up. So I'm gonna take this off. The chain not gonna fall down. It's 12 on 12 millimeter. After you open all this ball, this is 12 millimeter. Take this ball off. Be careful, this one is use a breaker bar. After you're losing all these balls, just pry a little bit in here, then give a little wiggle, then it will come easily. See, you just need that much clearance to take the valve out. Then you have to take the magnet, like this magnet things, just pull one by one right here. See, this is the things right here. There's another one right there. Just take that off. That's it. After that, you tidy up all these balls, like whatever the aspect. You have to check the manual to do that. Tidy up all these balls. You have to set the aspect, whatever the spec. Check the manual for the engine, then tidy it up the bolt like one by one. But first go like here and here, like here and here, in to out, like here, right here. When you hear the click, then you stop the torque wrench. That's how you tie it up. This one is 12 millimeter. After that, just put everything in reverse, like put the bulb cover and everything. Then just start it up. And if you take this tensioner out, so you have to put the tensioner. You see this right here, push all the way. There's a little lock right here. See? This one. Screw in, and that's it. And there's a two 10 millimeter ball on the side right there. Put it in and tie it up the ball, and rotate the crank with the crank. There's a 19 millimeter ball in the crank pulley. Just rotate a couple times, then this thing will release the knob. Thank you for watching, guys.